Hello, Karen Pesca with ERA Westwind Real Estate. During this COVID-19 process, I just want to come to you because I've had a couple people talk to me about listing their home. And so I just want to let you know where values are and how you're being affected potentially if you are needing to move and relocate. Downsize, upsize. We still have, different things going on in families' lives that don't stop. And that's part of why real estate is still considered essential business. So I pulled up January to April 2019, and I just did this in area 200 because that's also one of the areas here at Harris Ranch area that people are asking me about. So from January to April of 2019, there was 178 homes listed, 141 homes sold. The average list price was $548,115, and the average sold price was $542,372. So they were at a 98.95% list to sell ratio. January to February of 2020, we had 104 homes in that little area that were listed, 54 sold, and an average list price went up to $592,754. And an average sale price of $589,549, and that's about a $50,000 increase. And the average list to sell ratio is 99.46%, with an average of 34 days on the market. So for that same Harris Ranch area, East Boise, I pulled up March to April of this year. So there was only 77 homes listed, 35 of those homes sold, and the average asking price dropped to $584,567, with an average sale price of $582,460, which is a 99.64% sale to ratio. However, your price dropped about $6,000 or $7,000 in a month. So then I went a little bit further and I thought, okay, what if I just incorporate all of Ada County? Now, these homes in Harris Ranch area in Ada County will include lower-ended homes, middle-range homes, mobile homes. It kind of incorporates everything, even million-dollar homes like we just sold up in Harris Ranch and closed on last Friday. So again, it incorporates a lot of things. But January to February in just Ada County, so that incorporates Star, Eagle, Kuna, Meridian, Boise, different areas. I'm just trying to think off the top of my head, but the total listed there was 2,310 homes. Average list price was $405,637. Average price sold was $403,100. So again, that was January to February, Ada County of 2020. So March to April, once all this coronavirus started hitting, there was only 1,407 houses listed, 962 sold. Average list price, $409,804. Average price sold is $409,316 with a 99.88 sale price versus the list price. Now, a lot of those 962 that sold were rollovers from either last year or the months prior. So like one that we closed on last Friday, that had been a build job and that had been pending since last July. So those sold numbers incorporate not just that month. But I just wanted to let you know, if you are interested in knowing where your home stands, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email, reach me on Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is, and I can pull that. Again, I only pulled Ada County. I did not pull Jim County or Canyon County or Elmore County. So if you're just curious, I know everyone's home. We're all trying to find things to do. I've done enough cleaning out of the closets. I've cleaned everything. I've sanitized everything. Just organized, rearranged rooms, crafted my cards for my sellers. We're all trying to find things to do. And so if you're bored and you're just curious where you stand, let me know. I'd be happy to go online and look that up. If you want to meet, I could do a Zoom call and go over it with you. on that. But anyway, Karen Pesco with ERA Westwind Real Estate, 208-871-6436, or Karen Pesca at yahoo.com, or BoiseHousingMarket.com. Thank you guys, and I hope you're staying safe. Thanks.